my 2021 F450 Limited.
Just arrived, dropped this thing off with 2 non-runners behind it. I have to take this thing off the trailer.
We already figured out that the hubcaps are stolen. Somebody tried to break into this. I don't really know how they would have broke into this section. Maybe there's a way that I don't know about. That's why this thing needed to come off the trailer and be put in my hands.
I'm driving and Chloe's forcing me to drive and record right now. So we have my 2021 F450 Limited getting dropped off. The guy's 6 hours late. We now found out that he passed us, went to Fort Lauderdale, he says, but picked up a non-runner with a blown front end and another truck. The truck runs, he has a Toyota Corolla sitting behind our truck, so it can't come off the trailer. And the guy said that he thought there was going to be a forklift here. That's not ever a thing that normally happens. The forklifts are only going to be at the yards with the giant loaders with like 20-foot long forks.
But that would never be a person's responsibility that isn't the shipper.
Yeah, so anybody that does this stuff for a living, they know you put the non-runners on the front and then the runners on the back so you can pull the runners off. Unless you already know you're going to go somewhere. He drove past us with an empty trailer, picked up 2 cars, put them on top, and now it's our fault. He told us that his next delivery for those cars is in Fort Myers, and that's going to be another 2 to 3 days of shipping. We're going to go back to our old shop. I have 2 forklifts there. We're going to take the forklift with the long forks, get it underneath there, and try to lift the whole car off. We just got my 2021 F450 Limited. We're in the middle of trying to get it off, but they originally tried to drop it off at my house, and they put a non-runner behind us, and they went and picked that thing up. So they had an empty trailer and they drove past us and picked up those 2 trucks. I guess that one runs, but that car doesn't run, and it has a blown front end. I have to use forklift to get it off. So we have a plan. We're gonna try and get it done. Then we'll be able to get our truck off. We got the car off. It was pretty scary, I'm not gonna lie. The weight for it is half what the forklift can actually lift. It's just the height. Once you go higher up, it's less it can weigh. But we got it off. Now we're working on getting the truck off the trailer.
He is making you put it back on.
And then, yeah, he's gonna make me put it back on, which I'm less worried about. We're gonna put it on the dovetail, so that way it's easier on both of us and less scary.
This is my 2021 F450 Limited. I just got off the trailer and this thing looks beautiful until you get to this point. And wait till you see this. Yeah, we got some work to do on this thing, but I'm gonna film it all along the whole way and I'll show you guys everything I'm gonna do. Might need to swap the cab out on this thing. It needs some work, as you can tell, but we're in for it and we're gonna get all this stuff done. There you go. This thing's sweet. I'm really stoked, and this is a truck I've always wanted, so yeah. Very blessed.
Hopefully we make it home.
That's not even fucked up at all. Look at the curl, though. Look at that. Yeah, I'll wrap it black. I'm not gonna paint that black.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Oh my god, that's awesome. Look at that. I don't have the key.
Where are the keys?
Up here.
You still gotta pay the guy?
Oh yeah, dude. Look, somebody tried to get into it.
Yeah, and oh no, that's good. Dead ass.
Yeah. That's why I wanted that bitch off the trailer.
Wait, can you show that the hubcaps are stolen?
Yeah, so on the auction it has hubcaps all the way. Even so, we'll show you guys the guy that met up with me as the original owner of this truck. The hubcaps are just gone. They just sold them. I mean, they're just factory hubcaps, but I mean, like, what? Come on, how cheap you gotta be?
Truck of a hard-working man.
You got soft hands, boy.